Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on talkback in your mobile phone. So let us start our video. Firstly we will click on the setting icon, swipe up, and here you will see accessibility option. Click on that, swipe up some more, and here you will see talkback option. Click on that and turn on this first enable option.
Talkback on. Accessibility tutorial.
It's the review.
Keep slide. To scroll through a list, you can slide 2 fingers along the screen. For talkback.
Here you will see our
settings,
talkback is on in this way. So I hope this video helps you to on talkback in your mobile phone. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.